Hi, my name is Haris Ashraf bin Abdul Wahab, D57698. Today I will be presenting our chosen fish family, which is Lethrinidae. Introduction about Lethrinidae. Lethrinidae are a family of fishes in the order Persiformes, commonly known as emperors, emperor breams, and pig-faced breams. They are found in tropical waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, and Lathrinus atlanticus is also found in the eastern Atlantic Ocean. They are benthic feeders, consuming invertebrates and small fishes. Some species have molariform teeth, which they use to eat shelled invertebrates such as mollusks and crabs.
My name is Leong Yu Zi, Nomometrics D57546. I'm going to start this presentation with our first fish, Lethrinus lenjan. This fish is commonly called as pink ear emperor. We call it as ikan landuk calit merah in local. Let us continue to the characteristics of this fish. Its body is moderately deep and compressed with naked cheek. Its inner surface of pectoral fin base doesn't have scales. It has 6 longitudinal scale rows above lateral line, and its body depth is between 2.6 to 2.8 cm. Next, color and body pattern. Its body is greyish dorsally and silvery ventrally with whitish spot at center of each scale. Its posterior margin of opercle and pectoral fin base distinctly red, and the caudal fin mottled reddish orange. This fish can grow up to 52.0 cm, but it is commonly found around 30 cm. These fish live over sandy bottom in coastal areas, deep lagoons, and near coral reefs to depths of about 50 meters. Juveniles and small adults often in aggregations over seagrass beds, mangrove swamps, and shallow sandy areas. Adults are generally solitary and found in deeper waters. They usually feed on crustaceans and mollusks.
Lethrinidae ornatus. Its local name is ikan landuk yellow jinger. Its English name is Horned Emperor. Characteristic of the Lethrinidae ornatus is body moderately deep and compressed, cheek neck, inner surface of pectoral fins, base with scales, 6 longitudinal scale rows above lateral line. Body depth 2.3 until 2.6. Snout short is length 0.9 until 1.1 times in cheek height. Next, the color and body pattern of the Lethrinidae ornatus is body greenish of dusky whitish dorsally, shading to white ventrally with 5 until 6 longitudinal yellow streaks on body sides. Posterior margin of propertial and aperture reddish. The max size of Lethrinidae ornatus can grow out is 40 cm. Lastly, the habitat of Lethrinidae ornatus is inhabit sandy and soft bottom in shorebays, seagrass beds, lagoons, and areas adjacent to reefs. Feeds on crustaceans, molluscs, echinodons, polychaetes, and small fishes. It can caught by trap, headline, shoreline, and troll. Minor importance in fisheries where it occurs.
Lethrinidae genuitatus. The local name is ikan landuk sirip bintik. The English name is longspine emperor. The characteristic is body moderately elongated and compressed, cheek naked, second dorsal spine distinctly elongated than other spines. A pair of teeth in lower jaw strongly curved outward. Next, color and body pattern. Body brownish dorsally and whitish ventrally with 3 darker stripes on sides. Body often with irregular black oblique bars and a square black blotch above pectoral fin. Fins pale, speckled with small white blotches. The max size is 25.0 centimeters. Lastly, habitat. Primarily in shallow sandy and seagrass areas, but also in mangrove swamps, lagoons, channels, and outer reef slopes at depth of 5 to 25 meters. Penetrates into rivers in some areas. Feeds mostly on crustaceans and small fishes, caught mostly by shore string. Minor importance in fisheries, marketed fresh.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Hajar binti Muhammad Rusli, metric number D57680. Today I'm going to present about Lethrinidae variegatus. Lethrinidae variegatus, which is from Lethrinidae family. Their local name is ikan landuk lampai, or also known as slender emperor. The characteristic of the fish is body slender and compressed, cheek naked, inner surface of pectoral fin base without scales, 5 longitudinal scale rows above lateral line, body depth 3.2 to 3.9. The color and body pattern is body brownish dorsally and whitish ventrally with scattered irregular dark spots, 2 dark bands below eyes. Another dark band across interorbital space. Fins generally light or translucent. Caudal fin light and dark striped. Max size is 20 centimeters. The habitats inhabit shady areas near coral reef. Feeds on small benthic invertebrates. Caught mostly by shore sin and troll, of minor importance to fisheries where it occurs. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Shofihani binti Abdul Hakim. Today, I'm gonna present about fish named Gymnocranes elongatus, which is from Lethrinidae family. Their local name is ikan mempase ekor cabang, or also known as fork-tail large-eye bream. The characteristic of the fish is body oblong and compressed, cheek with scales, outer surface of maxilla smooth, large edge of eye intersected by a line from tip to snout to middle of caudal fin fork. Caudal fin deeply forked and median rays shorter than eye diameter. Next is the color and body pattern. Body silvery with 8 transverse brown bars. First bar through eye and across cheek. Caudal fin margin and tip often deep red. The maximum size of Gymnocranius elongatus is 35 cm. The habitat inhabits strolling grounds of the continental shelf, usually at depths between about 50 and 100 meters. Feeds mainly on bottom-living invertebrates, occasionally seen in markets, mainly fresh, and caught mostly with bottom trawls.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ibnu Zaki Uldin bin Muhammad Zaki, D57482. Today, I will be presenting about Gymnocranius glisius. The local name of this fish is ikan mempasir abu. English name, grey large eye bream. Firstly, the characteristic of this fish. Body oblong and compressed. Cheek with scale. Outer surface of maxilla smooth. Lower edge of eye intersected by line from teeth to snout to middle caudal fin fork. Caudal fin deeply forked and medium raised, shorter than eye diameter. Color and body pattern. Body silvery with 8 transverse brown bars. First bars through eye and across cheek. Caudal fin margin and tip often deep red. Secondly, the max size is 35 cm. The habitat is inhabit coastal rolling grounds, usually at depth between about and 20 to 80 meter. It feeds mainly on bottom invertebrates. Sexual maturation occurs at a fairly small size, about 15 to 17 cm standard length. Common in market, mainly fresh, occasionally dried. Caught mainly with bottom trawls, but sometimes with hand line.
Thank you. That's all from our group. I hope that you enjoy and understand our presentation.